In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quick grunge effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is a fantastic technique to give your images that edgy, textured look in just a few steps. So, if you're ready to learn how to transform your photos with this cool effect, let's jump right in. First, we'll start by bringing your image into Adobe Photoshop. Simply open the application and drag your chosen image onto the workspace. If you're using the Open command, go to the File menu at the top, select Open, and choose your image file from its location on your computer. Once it's open, make sure it's the right size and everything looks good because this will be the base for your grunge effect. Now that your image is set, it's time to overlay the grunge texture. You can use any grunge PNG file available online or from your collection. To add it, drag the grunge PNG onto your open project in Photoshop. It should create a new layer on top of your image layer. Make sure the grunge layer covers the entire image so that the effect is applied evenly across your artwork. You might want to adjust the size and position of the grunge texture if it isn't aligning correctly with your image. Use Ctrl+T on a PC or Command+T on a Mac to transform the grunge layer and adjust as needed. With your grunge PNG layer added and adjusted, the next step is to select the grunge pattern itself. To do this, go to your Layers panel and hold down the Control key if you're on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. While holding the key, click on the thumbnail of the grunge layer. You'll notice a selection around the grunge areas. This step is important because it will help us define the boundary for our texture effect. Now let's add a solid color layer that matches your background. Head over to the bottom of your Layers panel and find the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. Click on it and select Solid Color from the menu. You can choose any color you want, but for a harmonious look, it's best to pick a color that matches your image's background. Adjust the color until you're happy with the match, and this solid color will act as a base that will peek through the grunge pattern. Finally, to blend the grunge effect beautifully with your image, go back to your grunge layer, click on it to make sure it's the active layer, then right-click and select the Create Clipping Mask option. This action will clip the grunge pattern to the solid color layer beneath it, ensuring that the effect is only visible where the grunge texture is present. It creates a seamless merge of your texture with the base color, resulting in a captivating grunge effect that adds depth and interest to your image. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quick grunge effect in Adobe Photoshop. Feel free to experiment with different textures and colors to see what combinations you like best. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out other videos for more creative tips and tricks.